It's a very rainy and cloudy day today. Those days are exactly the days why I wanted to build a hydro system, because with so many clouds my solar system is producing maximum of 5% of its peak power. But hydro works better if it's raining. I'm still having water overflowing here and there, which means I will now change to a bigger nozzle again, from 6 to probably 7. I also have a 8mm nozzle with me, but I will do the 7mm first. Engraved the numbers to it, so I don't get mixed up if I make smaller steps now. It's not visible with your eyes or if it's 7 or 7.1 millimeters. That's very helpful. You know what? I'm going for 8mm. See if the pressure drops, and if it drops, I'll go to 7. Let's do it that way. I don't know if you can tell, but it's vibrating a little bit. I might have to improve the frame a little bit to make it more stiff. But as long as the nozzle and the wheel can't touch each other, it's fine for me for now. There will come sunny days with no water where I can tackle those tasks. I will also build, maybe a small hut or something to protect all of this from cold temperatures. Especially this one, like the pressure gauge. Please comment below if I can leave this outside. I'm a little scared. In a few days there will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. I will definitely take this inside. But I see other YouTubers that do Pelton wheels. They leave it outside, but they have a housing around it. But still, I think it's gonna... In there must be a water dead spot where water is not moving, and it will freeze, I guess. I left it running for 10 minutes now. I still see a lot of water coming from here. So if there's water coming from here, that would indicate that this has enough water. We'll see the pressure. It has dropped. Below 4. Normally it's a little bit above. I guess in the long run that would mean that I can't run this nozzle size. But I'm still wondering why there's So much water coming here. I think I go up again and check the water intake if everything is fine before I change to a different nozzle. That also leaves it running for a bit more. So I go up, check there, then I get another pressure reading, and then we go from there. Been watching with the water level quite a bit now. It's not overflowing here anymore. It's not overflowing here anymore. But it's not dropping either. Also, what's very good, I don't hear any noise at all. No suction, no bubbles coming up, nothing. This thing is completely silent. No noises at all. In the long run, I want to lower this point much more. So I think half of this filter is in the air right now, but it seems to be enough. And if there's more water coming, water will also flow in this part. I don't want to do it right now because if I lower this point, a lot of dirt will be thrown up. Not thrown up, you know what I mean. So I will not go down to the turbine again. I will go home and look what the app says, and I will, if there's a problem, I will see it in the wattage. I am back at the house again. You can see the wattage went up from 57 with a 6mm nozzle to now 124 watts with the 8mm nozzle, which is a great success. You can also see this was yesterday when I installed the system the first time. I already made 1.17 kilowatt hours. I left it running overnight, and since it was running good, I decided to do this upgrade today. I was reading a little pressure drop down there, but it doesn't seem to be worse enough that the pressure drops. It stays very constant. If we zoom in here, wattage and voltage stays constant. Since it's raining today, I guess we will have enough water. I will leave this running, see if there are any issues. If there are issues, I go down to 7mm, and then we get a reading there, and I get more and more experience on what nozzles I can run with which water flow. Yeah, that's it for this short episode. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. There's no more content coming. And see you in the next one. Bye bye.